guys. Sorry about all the roughness. We had a little incident yesterday with one of our dogs. She got tangled up in mesh. It was green mesh, like shade cloth along there, and she got tangled up in it, and we took her to the vet and she almost didn't make it, and we're waiting to hear back on what's happening. And yeah, my anxiety, I just can't handle it at the moment. So we're trying to get on with our day. We get to hear back at 10 o'clock. We've just been in tears since last night, and I just really hope that she's going to be okay. I'm gonna try and distract myself though, because I feel like I can't breathe. So I'm gonna do the chickens and try and get on with the day, and hope we hear from the vet soon. Fingers crossed. So yeah, as I said, we've all had a really rough night. We're just hoping that Chloe's gonna be okay. I think we've cried so much that there's nothing left, so yeah, I'm just really hoping that she's gonna be okay. The thing that's making me most scared is that, like last time we took a dog to the vet, we didn't get to come home with them. I feel like such an idiot for crying over something like this, but yeah, I'm really attached to my animals. I absolutely love them. I think that they're the best things ever, and I prefer animals than humans half the time, but so it's just hard dealing with it, that's all. But yeah, I just want to bring her home. I'm not sure if I told you guys, but we recently moved to a farm. It's on 5 acres, and we're just kind of on the outskirts of Campbelltown. I don't think we've shown you any of it at all, so I'm gonna go around and show you guys now. And yeah, we really love it. It's kind of all we ever wanted, so yeah. Hey guys, we are setting up the I don't know what they're called, the horse stands, the timber stands. I've got nothing. We've got the timber on Matt's ute, and we've set these up because we need to paint the wood. We're painting! What are you doing? It's our bird. So we just heard back and that Chloe's gonna be okay. We can't pick her up yet, but she's doing good and that's all that matters. So we're going to continue doing the chicken coop and yeah, just bring you guys along.
G'day guys, welcome to Matt and Ash's farm. Today, chicken coop building time. At the moment I'm mixing the paint, ready to pour it in to the paint, what do you call that, paint tray. And then we're just going to roll it. Hopefully this paint's enough. Not the screw. Give it a try. Ready?
Oh.
You know,
Technical difficulties, we'll be back. Take 2 with a paintbrush. Is that working better?
because it's external paint, not spread it. We might have to do a quick trip to running, but
Yeah.
get a better roller. Should be rolling.
Wouldn't be a Matt and Ashy video without some difficulties, eh?
It's going to be a fun trip.
You reckon? Couple minutes in and we gotta go to Bunnings already.
It is.
We just got back from Bunnings and we're going for take 2. So we're going to use these paint rollers and we're going to put the undercoat on the wood. So then hopefully it'll dry quick enough so then we can put the red on. So we finished doing the top coats of the undercoat on all the pieces of wood, and now we need to wait for them to dry a little bit so then we can tip them over and do the bottom and the sides. And it is looking hot today. Oh,
Watering the
Matt's
paddock.
He's watering the paddock. Yeah, we've had to put this umbrella over top of the paint because it keeps drying out too quick. But yeah, so in a minute they will be dry and we will do the other half of them.
Actually, no, we're painting.
That says bad painter, I say hard worker.
Oh, and
Oh,
Hudson.
my buddy bear.
Have we flipped these ones in?
And they're still painting.
Oh yeah, these are done both sides, that's good.
I think I've got more paint on me than Maud does. The shoes are off, and I think I just trod in brew poop.
Can I have a lick?
Look like the chickens.
Go on.
Matt's built a seesaw. Oh! We're moving the timber over there so then we can paint the ones that are on the floor, and then the white will be done, and then we just got to paint everything again but red.
The white is done. We're just going to do the red. But that can wait like another hour and a half. We need a break. So I think we will go get some takeaway. Like some Chinese or something.
So now we're going to let them dry properly and then start the red Matt's just hosing out all the... It looks like you're weeing. You know, like in Austin Powers, that scene where he's at the fountain? Oh god. Looks like he really did wet himself.
Nothing like walking barefoot around because who needs shoes, am I right?
Well, just had lunch.
It's got cold in it.
Shouldn't take long. Start. I need to fix the umbrella first.
Mary Poppins in it.
Here we go. They're going back down.
Are you showing the sheep? Hey? You showing the sheep? Red looks so nice. Barefoot painting that you got your shoes on.
We got a bunny rabbit.
Last 4 bits. We finally gave up. Here's all the baby ducklings.
Hey bird. You okay? Where's your bone? Look at your bone. Look at it. Look at your bone. You okay? Got my paisley gum boots on now.
Some people use sleepers, but it costs too much money. You've got a little leak.
I think it's time for a new wheelbarrow. That's the bird coughing. He's telling you off. Mum's painting now. Got paint all on my shirt.
The planning begins. They have the whole aviary and they have to huddle up against the door. Last of the painting.
We're running out of painting and things.
What? You're what?
I love art, but I'm painting red.
Goes faster. Apparently.
We could do this for hours.
All day.
We have no sun left.
It looks nice and bright on here.
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't start painting until like 12 o'clock.
It's now like after 5.
Delicate. You ready? You ready?
Oh, so close.